Hey YouTube, this is Ron from Margus MTB and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing for upcoming videos on rides, product unboxing, and tips, tricks, and more. Today, we're going to have a quick look at the Trek Marlin 6. This is a cross-country or XC type of bike, which is versatile whether it's for all-around town or trail ride. Now let's look at the components. Let's start from the cockpit. Headset is a semi-integrated 1 1/8 inch. Stem is Bontrager alloy 31.8 mm, blender compatible 7 degree 70 mm length. This is specific to this bike, which is a medium size. Let's take a look at the fork. Marlin 6 has SR Suntour XCT 30, coil spring, preload, hydraulic lockout, 100 mm QR, and 100 mm travel. For the brake system, it has a Tektro M315 hydraulic disc for front and back. Let's go and check the wheels. For the rim, it has a Bontrager Connection double wall 32 hole 20 mm width with a Schrader valve. For the tire, it has a Bontrager XR2 comp wire bead 30 TPI 29 by 2.2. For the rear hub, it got Formula DC22 alloy 6-bolt Shimano 8910 freehub by 135 by 5 mm QR. For the front, it has a Formula DC20 alloy 6-bolt 5 by 100 mm QR. Let's check out the drivetrain. For the shifter, it has a Shimano Altus 315 8-speed. Front derailleur is Altus M315 34.9 mm clamp top swing dual pull. For the rear derailleur, it has a Shimano Altus M310. For Cassette, it has an HG31 8-speed. For the chain, it has a KMC Z8.3 8-speed, and for the pedal, it has a VP 536 nylon platform. The crank is Shimano 315 3622 170 mm length. For the frame, it has an alpha silver aluminum internal routing. For the saddle, it has a Bontrager Arvada steel rail 138 mm Then the seat post is Bontrager alloy 31.6 mm. Overall, Trek Marlin 6 is a trail-ready, roadworthy, all-around entry-level bike, or for those weekend warriors looking for some trail fun. I hope this video helped you. Please click like, share, and subscribe. This is Ron from Margus MTB. Stay safe and enjoy the ride.